way to the beach. Honey, where are we going?
We're going to the Isle of Palms Bridge.
Yeah, we're going to the Isle of Palms. We'll give you the history of South Carolina for a little bit. Peace. Bye. Where are we? In Isle of Palms. Oh, look at this.
Remember we parked there and they had that there flea market sale there? Parked at the church? Our flea market sale. Remember that? You probably remember that.
Yeah, but I thought you were gonna park at the church and go to the beach.
Yeah, on the other side.
Really?
At that bridge?
Oh, look at those people on their way to the beach.
I know, with the chairs and everything. See, all these people are going to the beach, but shit.
Honey, did you bring the chair?
Huh?
Did you bring the chair?
Yeah, I think, no, not in here. I don't. My other truck's got the chair.
Really?
I don't have a chair here.
Oh, look at that water.
The other side?
Water coming out.
Yeah,
Why?
They gotta flush the hydrants. They gotta flush them ever so often.
We can go there.
We can walk across the bridge and go down. I guess.
Either one.
Yeah, there's really no place to park. And people got so much. There's where we parked, right over there. That's a church, see? That's where I parked.
Oh yeah, we parked here
You
before.
darn right we did. I told you it was a
Honey,
church.
that's not a. Is that a church?
Yes, that's a church. I'm pretty sure it is, or it looks like it. Looks like kind of cross.
Oh yeah, it is a church.
Oh, it's not.
Nice house right there.
Memory's better than
That one
yours.
too.
It is.
Beautiful.
You
Yeah,
wanna
that
park
is
right
a
over
church.
here.
Yeah, honey, yeah.
Huh?
Yes, honey, yes. Wherever you. So where you wanna park? You wanna go park on Ladson Road?
Oh no! Hell, how you gonna park? Are you crazy? Get out of here! You can't park. Is there any parking spot over
Go
there?
that way, honey.
Oh, I am. I'm going through here. No parking this side. I found that dime right over there. I got a different detector this time.
Here we are. It's an inlet.
Yep. It's like a breach inlet. Oh yeah, breach inlet. That's exactly what it is. I
You're
saw
right,
this.
honey. And then you can sit
Yeah, I
there.
remember breach inlet.
Oh,
but
look
I
at the
couldn't remember. I didn't call it breach
beautiful
inlet.
couples sitting, kids fishing. Whoa, we're turning, we're turning. Look at the nice house.
Oh my God! Of everything, there was no
Oh
parking
my
spot. Dog.
goodness.
Look at this. No parking
right.
spot whatsoever.
That's it for now. Till next time.
Oh, he's gonna
Whoop.
go. He's gonna.
So you can see there's a lot of people in the beach. Somebody's gonna serve. Oh, yay! Oh my God! Oh! Yeah, great. Look at the view, everybody. Everyone, there's a lot of people here. All the way there, as far as your eyes can see. All right. Hi guys, thank you for everybody who subscribed. I have a 32 subscribers now. Yay! Awesome! I'm so excited. Guess where I'm at right now? I am here at the beach. Woo! You want to see? Everybody, everyone are playing volleyball. Some are just laying down, enjoying the sun. Although the sun is not shining very much, but yeah, thank you guys for subscribing. Add me on Facebook, Sheila May Montambo. Bye.